The Tata Group completes 4 years under the chairmanship of N. Chandrasekaran this month. It was on Jan 12th, 2017 that he was appointed chairman, though he took over on Feb 21, 2017. So this is a fair time to compare how the performance has been over these 4 years. Well, the performance seems to be very good because a 7.8 lakh crore group in market cap terms has become a 17.5 lakh crore group. That is a 123% growth in the past 4 years. That looks extremely impressive. Outsized performance coming in from TCS. It has grown from a 4.25 lakh crore company to a 12.2 lakh crore company, growing by 185%. So a large part of that 17.5 lakh crore has come from TCS. Now let us look at all the performances. The blue bar is 2017 and the yellow bar is the current market cap 2021. If you looked at it, TCS kind of dwarfs everyone. We already noted it's a 185% growth. So let's look at the company's performance without TCS. Then the graphs look more easy to read. As you will notice, everywhere the yellow bar is bigger than the blue bar, indicating that the market cap has grown for the whole range of companies, except this one guy, Tata Motors, which has fallen by 53%. Otherwise, it would have been an even more impressive performance. Let's look at the smaller companies. Even over there, the performance is, very good, very impressive, down to the smaller ones like Nelco. Tata Coffee is the only one which is a bit flat. Now, if you looked at the best performers, we were boasting that TCS was a 185% growth in market cap. It's not by any standards the best. It is the fifth in the group. The best performance coming almost 4 times the growth is coming from Tata Consumer. It's become 4 times larger a company in market cap. Titan, 3 times larger a company. Tata Elxsi and Trent growing very, very impressively. Now, just let's pause and see which didn't perform well. We already knew Tata Motors is going to be the one that let down the group, a 53% fall in market cap. Tata Power is flat, and Indian Hotels, compared to the other companies, has been a mediocre performer. It is the 3rd worst performer in terms of market cap growth. Now, we must note that when we are comparing, we are in a sense comparing apples to oranges, because only in the case of Tata Chemicals, there was a major corporate event. Its consumer business, Salt, Tata Salt, etc., went to Tata Global Beverages, and Tata Global Beverages got renamed as Tata Consumer. Did that alter the market cap? It appears to have only worked in favor of the group, because the combined market cap in 2017 was 20,000 crore. In 2021 January, it's almost 70,000 crore. So the merger has not detracted but added to the market cap of the group. Well, now let's look at TCS's contribution. We told you it has only grown 5th largest. So, its share in the total market cap should have come down, but it hasn't. In 2017, it contributed 55%, but now it is contributing even more, 70% to the Tata Group market cap. This is because the Tata Motors contribution has come down, and that is why TCS's contribution looks accentuated. Be that as it may, you will have to admit that 4 years under N. Chandra has been quite impressive for both Tata Sons and for the minority share.